Here we have a 2018 BMW 530e M Sport, and this vehicle comes with just under £8,000 worth of optional extras, including the M Sport Plus package. We have the 20-inch V-spoke alloy wheels, all in excellent condition, finished in gloss black, with the blue M Sport brake calipers just behind. The Sophisto grey metallic paintwork. We have the LED daytime running headlights, two gloss black front kidney grills with the performance kit as well, which includes the front splitter, side skirts along the bottom, colour-coded door handles and door mirrors. We have the black trim around the windows with the privacy glass for the rear passengers. Up top you'll find the glass sunroof just there, which can also get put onto a tilt. The shark fin antennae, we have the eDrive badging just on the side, we have the rear spoiler lip as well. Front and rear parking sensors with a reversing camera and a visual display inside. We have the dual exhaust and the rear diffuser. Back around to the driver's side now, you find that this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. So if we take a quick look at the interior, so inside of here you find that we have the full leather interior. Both of these front seats are heated and electrically adjustable as well, as you can see just there. We have the premium Harman Kardon sound system, the ambient lighting on the doors, electric windows, so try that for the rear, electric mirrors as well. We have the auto lights just there, the auto wipers, multifunctional steering wheel, paddle shifters either side. We also have the cruise control and the speed limiter, digital dashboard and also the main infotainment screen in the centre, which has the lights of the sat-nav. We also have the Bluetooth phone connectivity. We have all of the different drive modes and much more. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today. Once this vehicle gets a full valet, we'll do a more in-depth video. If you'd like to find out more, please check out the website. Thank you for watching.